Hello friends, welcome to another video. Uh, this With this video we are going to start a new chapter called circles, and in this video we are going to study about the basics of circles. This is a very important topic for class 10th. So first let's go through the basics of circles. How do we define a circle? So a circle is a set of all points that is at a constant distance from a fixed point. Okay, I repeat, a circle is the set of all points which is at a constant distance from a fixed point. This set of points that finally comes out is called the circumference. The constant distance is called the radius, and the fixed point is called the center of the circle. Now let us go through the example in the figure shown here on the right. So what is the radius of the circle? OP is the radius of the circle, but remember OQ is not the radius of the circle because it extends beyond the circle. What is the center of the circle? The center of the circle is the point O. The point O, which is this point here, which is the center of the circle. Now let's go back to the definition again. The circle is a set of all points that is at a constant distance from a fixed point. This set of points that finally comes out is the circumference, which is this arc like structure that you see here in the figure. The constant distance is called the radius, that is OP and not OQ, and the fixed point is the center of the circle, that is point O. Now what is the circumference of a circle? So if the radius of the circle is r, then the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. This is the formula. You would have studied this in class 9th as well. What is the diameter of the circle? Twice the length of the radius is called the diameter of the circle. If I have to draw a diameter of this circle, I will just extend a line and I will say this is my d1 to d2 is my diameter of the circle. Okay, d1 to d2 is the diameter of the circle, and remember pr is this is the diameter of the circle and this is not the diameter of the circle. Why? Because a diameter has to pass through the center. Only if a line touches a circle at two distinct points on the circumference while passing through the center, only then can you call it a diameter. And the diameter is twice the length of the radius. What is a chord? Chord is a line that touches 2 points on the circle inside the circle but does not pass through the center. So in the example, PR is the chord of a circle. Now remember, diameter is the longest chord in the circle. Diameter is the longest chord. Okay. Now what is a tangent? A line that touches the circle externally is called a tangent. So in the given figure, the line PQ is a tangent to the circle. A line that touches only at one point, example PQ. If it touches at two distinct points, it's called a secant of a circle. So in the figure here shown below, in the figure shown above, the line AB is the secant to the circle. I hope the basics of this chapter are clear to you because we are going to study some higher order concepts here. Let's revise quickly once more. What is a circle? A circle is a set of all points that is at a constant distance from a fixed point. What is radius? The constant distance that we spoke about in the definition of a circle is the radius. What is the center? The fixed point that we spoke about in the definition of a circle is the center. What is the circumference? The set of all points that come about as a result of the definition spoken about is the circumference, and the formula of a circumference is 2 pi r, wherein r is the radius of the circle. Then what is diameter? Diameter is a chord of a circle that passes through the center. It is the longest chord in the circle. What is a chord? A chord is a line segment that touches two distinct points within the circle but does not pass through the center. Okay, in case it passes through a center, it becomes the special case, which is called a diameter. Now, what is a tangent? A tangent is a line that touches the circle externally only at one point. In the example shown above or the figure shown above, PQ is a tangent. What is a secant? A secant is a line that touches a circle at two distinct points. Okay, these were the basics of circles. We'll have more videos around this in coming up shortly. Keep practicing hard, keep working hard. Cheers and God bless.